Welcome to Analytic Geometry and Calculus 1 at St. Louis Community College. My name is Mike Lukey, and I'm the instructor of this online course this spring semester. This video has directions for getting started in the course and lays out the basic structure you should expect this spring. Maybe most importantly for you to know at the outset is that this section is not a live virtual lecture section. A live virtual lecture class would meet via video conferencing several times per week instead of meeting in person, but would otherwise operate as a traditional class. This section is fully online, which implies that you can interact with the course materials asynchronously. Asynchronous interaction means that you do not have to attend class meetings on particular days or at particular times. It also means that I'll expect you to work fairly independently through the material, planning your time and activities to suit your needs and your schedule. Having said that, it's important to note that I do expect to interact with you often, answering questions that you send, participating in discussion forums, providing feedback on your work, or conversing with you during office hours. I'll host regular office hours for you to get help when you need it, and I'll encourage and participate in discussion forums about the material that I hope will help you learn. It's also important for you to know that this course is not a self-paced course. That means that there are regular deadlines for all required tasks, usually on Wednesday or Sunday evenings at 11:59 p.m. St. Louis time. These deadlines are meant to help you focus your attention on particular topics at particular times in the semester. More on the course requirements in a minute, but if you think your needs are better suited to a different class format, STLCC offers a variety of options with differing levels of virtual or face-to-face interaction. Consult the interactive schedule of classes or your advisor for more details. The place to start in our section is our course Blackboard page, where you can find links to the syllabus and other important information. While Blackboard is where you'll first enter the course, most of our work in the course will take place in a platform called MyOpenMath. MyOpenMath offers all the resources you'll need to complete the course requirements: video lessons, textbook links, practice exercises, discussion forums, a messaging system, and a grade book for storing and reviewing your work. It's not hard to learn, and the best part of all is that it's completely free. The only cost associated with this course is your tuition. There's information about how to get started in MyOpenMath in our course Blackboard page. So what will you be doing in MyOpenMath? What are the course requirements? Well, basically, throughout the course, I'm going to ask you to complete 4 main kinds of tasks: assignments, activities, weekly discussion forums, and exams. The assignments will have video lessons and textbook links guiding you through the material and offering you exercises for practicing the skills and concepts. I'll ask you to complete about 2 or 3 sections of material per week. The activities and weekly discussion forums are an opportunity for you to go a little more in depth into the most important and challenging topics in the course. And they offer a chance for you to articulate your thinking to help you develop a stronger understanding. There will be about 1 activity due every couple of weeks, and as the name indicates, weekly discussion forums are a weekly requirement. All 3 tasks are important for preparation for the exams, which will take place about once each month this spring for a total of 4 exams. Those exams take place in MyOpenMath together with a virtual proctoring service called Respondus. That service requires the use of a lockdown browser and a webcam for the exams. Information about this software is contained in the syllabus and in Blackboard. It's really important early in the course to understand what kind of commitment is required for success. This is a 5-credit course, and if you were in a face-to-face or a live virtual lecture section, you'd spend about 5 hours per week during class, and your instructor would recommend committing to about twice that number of hours outside of class for doing homework and studying. Online sections usually require a greater focus and time commitment than face-to-face sections, so I'm estimating that most of you should expect to spend at least 10 to 15 hours a week on math in order to be successful. That breaks down to working about 2 to 3 hours every day, 5 days a week, which is what I recommend in the syllabus. Although not everyone needs this amount of time, often students need more time than this. Think carefully about the amount of time you have and the amount of time and energy you'll need to be successful in the course. I've provided a suggested schedule in the syllabus that should help you stay organized and on track with submitting work on time. In addition to time, another component to success in calculus is a strong understanding of algebra and trigonometry. In fact, what is usually the most challenging part of calculus is not calculus itself, but using the algebra and trig skills that are prerequisite to the course. I've created a module at the beginning of the course in MyOpenMath that offers a resource for brushing up on those skills. My advice is to spend a day reading through the course requirements, the syllabus, and the schedule. Then, register your account in MyOpenMath and take a day or two to review topics from your previous math courses. Assignment 1 is a chance to get acclimated to the MyOpenMath practice platform and to check your readiness for Calculus 1. Use the videos and the links in Module 1 to refresh your understanding of these topics. If you find this assignment overwhelming, or if you struggle with a lot of the topics in it, please get in touch with me right away. I'll be available throughout the week all semester to respond to your questions or concerns. I'm usually able to respond to emails and messages within 24 hours or less, and if a written response isn't helpful, we can connect during my office hours or by making an appointment to meet virtually in Microsoft Teams. I'm here to help and support your work in class, whether you contact me only once in a while or if you need help many times each week. It's not easy to work through a Calculus 1 class online, but I think I've set up a course and a structure that is ready to support you along that journey. My primary goal is to give you opportunities to build a strong foundation so that you are positioned for great success throughout the calculus sequence and in other courses that you might take and need calculus in. I'm looking forward to working with each of you this spring, and I hope you have many positive learning experiences in the course. Good luck.